Hello everyone, I have some exciting news to share with you. I just already hit 300 subscribers. Yes, I just hit 300 subscribers fast. It just took forever to reach 300 subscribers, but now I finally did it. So for the 300 subscribers, I want to give a big shout out to all my teachers in the HVAC and all my other HVAC enthusiasts, my friends and my cousins, who helped me get to 300 subscribers. Yeah. I mostly give a shout out to my school teachers for making me get up to 300. But yeah, baby, now I'm in the 300s club. Oh yeah. But anyway, speaking of 300 subscribers, here's my neighbor's brand new 2024 Lennox Elite running. But yeah, it's finally running. I knew I would say that. It's now running. But yeah, I want to give a big thank you to all the people who made me get to 300 subscribers. But yeah, here's the new Lennox Elite running. My neighbor's new Lennox Elite. It's now running. It's gonna sound like it. Very nice compressor sound. Broad Ocean ECM fan motor. Sienna was made last year. In August 2017. R454B refrigerant. 14.8 SEER. It's 2024. That's a 3.5 ton. That's a big 3.5 ton right here. And right now I hear the Marins watering something. But yeah, here you go. This is in one of the special videos. It's one of the special videos. It's the first special video for 300 subscribers. So yeah, thank you all for making me get to 300 subscribers. This is why I'm really excited for this. Yeah, it is not a heat pump. I don't see the person pump. This is actually an air conditioner. It's my first time seeing and recording it running. Very quiet. Yeah, much quieter than the old CJK. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.